Hey there, this is Liz. I'm head of product at Builderall, and I'll be showing you the updates for the first week of October. First of all, on the website builder, if you navigate to the website manager, global elements, you'll find the header option. And before, if you had a website with multiple pages, you had to apply the header to all of the pages separately. Now you don't have to. We've added an option to apply to all website pages, and then you can choose between applying it to mobile and desktop, to mobile only, or to desktop only. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to both mobile and desktop. So as you can see now, it was applied to 3 pages, so both desktop and mobile pages. And if I navigate to my website, the live version before applying the header looked like this. And I'm going to go ahead and republish after applying the header to all of my pages. And I will refresh the live version of my website so that you can see the global header applied. And there it is. And if I go to the other pages on my website, the global header should also be there. And that's the first update. Now, the second update, it's an update for the image element. So we used to have only one option in terms of sizing when it comes to the image element, sizing adaptation. We used to always keep the original format of the image. So I have this image element right here, and I'm going to go ahead and let's make this a bit smaller like this. And also more, oh yeah, well, I guess this size is good. And if I were to change the image and choose an image that isn't of the same format, let's say I would choose this square image right here and apply it, the image element that I had just resized changed, right? Um, so that's how it works. It used to work. Now, with the new option that we've added, which is the fit image to frame option, you'll be able to keep the element size and format. So let's say I'm going to make this really small like this and really thin like this. And I'm going to go ahead and change the image after choosing fit image to frame. And once I do that, I want to choose, let's say, this image here, which is also square. I'm going to apply it. And as you can see, instead of resizing the element, it fit the image to the frame. Of course, if I do it like this, then it will eventually show the entire image. So that's another cool feature that we've added. And then for those who are familiar with the Magic Lab within our business toolkit, we've added a little shortcut to the image element toolbar that takes you right to the image creation with AI. And these are the new updates for the first week of October from Builderall. Thanks for watching, and let's keep on building.